Good morning. Now he's on my lap. He doesn't sleep with me though. He sleeps with my daughter. Staying in school improves life expectancy, study says. Every year we spend in education improves our life expectancy, according to new research published in the Lancet Public Health Journal. And not attending school could have the same effect on our health as smoking or drinking. What the researchers says. Really? The researchers looked at data from more than 600 studies from 59 countries in what they called the first systematic review linking education to longer life. They found that the people who complete primary school have a 13% lower risk of dying compared to those with no formal education, while people who finish secondary school after 12 years of education reduce their risk of death by 25%. Seriously? This is incredibly surprising. Finishing university after 18 years of education was linked to a 34% reduction in the risk of death. The researchers said the health effect of graduating from university could be compared to eating the right amount of vegetables as opposed to not eating vegetables at all. Yeah, not going to school at all was found to be as bad for you as drinking 5 or more alcohol drinks per day or smoking 10 cigarettes a day for 10 years. This is sick. Every year in full-time education could decrease an adult's risk of dying by 2%, the study said. The researchers also found that the people in richer countries were just as likely to benefit from extra years of education as people in poorer countries. The benefit of getting a longer education is not just financial, although this is important too, experts say. As David Finch, an assistant director of the Health Foundation in the UK, told The Guardian, it helps you to build better social connections. It makes you better at assessing and understanding information that can help you make better choices. Well, that is true, though. That is very true. Discussion. What are your thoughts on the study's findings? First of all, it was surprising, but I understand. Higher education helps you much better in your life. Do you find it surprising that not attending school may be as bad for our health as smoking or drinking? That was very surprising, yes. Why do you think education has such a major impact on our health? How many years of education do you imagine the average person in your country gets? Well, up to junior high is なんだ mandatory ですからね。Yeah. How many years that could be? 13, no. 15 years. Do you know many people who quit school at a young age? Not in Japan, so many. Well, I mean, nobody I know. Further discussion. Are you happy with the quality of your country's education system? Yes, if you can complete. Do you remember much of what you learned in school? Yes, I use it every day at my work now. If you could start high school again, what would you do differently? No, I'm not going to do anything differently. I was very happy at the high school time. What are your fondest memories of your time as a student? I can't talk in a minute. The aim of education is the knowledge, not of facts, but of values. William S. Burroughs. What are your thoughts on this statement? That's true. It's about the knowledge and being smart in your life. ですね、にゃんにゃん。